Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the types of settlement. Generally, we see these types are based on the number of houses. What is the cluster or dispersed, or what is the pattern. On that basis, the four major types are given. In that, the first type, that is compact settlement, which is also called clustered settlement, and it is also called nucleated settlement. Compact settlement, the name itself gives us the idea that the compactness, close, the houses are very much close to each other, and this type of settlement we see, generally we observe in the cities, in the urban areas, in the metropolitan cities, because the land is small but the population is very high. So to cater the need of settlements of the people, the houses which are very much compact, there is almost no space in between two houses, and also we see the multi-story buildings. So in the small area, we see so many people are living. So this is called compact or clustered or nucleated settlements. And generally we observed this type in cities, the metropolitan cities or urban areas. These are the regions where we see such type of settlements. The second type is semi-clustered settlement. Now same clustered, but it is compact, very much compact. Semi-clustered, the houses are close to each other, but there is some distance, enough distance in between the houses so that people can easily move in the regions. There will be no crowd, there will be no big crowd in the region. So the second, that is semi-clustered settlement. That is also called fragmented. Now fragmented, name itself gives you the idea, fragments, that these settlements are compact, but this compactness is less compared to the first type, and they are little bit dispersed but not much, and so this type is called semi-clustered or fragmented settlement. The third type, that is dispersed settlement. Now dispersed settlement, the name itself gives you the idea, dispersed. Dispersed, it is distributed in the region. There is enough space in between houses. So it is fragmented, total fragmentation, or it is dispersed all over the region. So that is dispersed settlement. Generally we see in the rural areas, we see the houses, they are dispersed, they are quite separated from each other. And the last one is isolated settlement. Now isolated settlement, the name itself gives us the idea, isolated, that this is a group of houses, but they are at particular place, and that much group is living there, and the surrounding far areas, there is no cluster, there are no houses. So isolated houses, generally these kind of houses we see around the pond, around the lakes, because lakes which are giving us the water. So around the water we see some houses, some settlements are there. So isolated houses, this is also one of the type of settlement. Thank you.